Good morning, students. Class 7th Science. Our topic radiation. Unlike conduction and convection, radiation is the method of heat transfer that does not need contact between a hotter object and a cooler object. For example, you can feel the heat of sun even when you are indoors. Similarly, we can feel the heat of fire from a distance. Thus, heat can flow in the form of waves. This is known as radiation. These waves can move through vacuum. Heat can be transferred through an empty space by radiation. Vacuum or thermos flask. A thermos flask is used to maintain the temperature of liquid kept in it. It keeps liquid hot or cold liquid cold for a longer time. The flask is made up of a double-walled glass vessels with a vacuum, no air between the walls. Glass, being a poor conductor of heat, reduces the transfer of heat from inside the flask as well as outside of it. Heat that could be transferred through radiation is reduced by silvering the walls of vacuum flask. This reflects off heat rays either trying to enter the flask from outside or leave the flask from inside. You can see in the thermos flask protective metal case, spring and insulated stopper, silver the surface, vacuum and glass. The thermos flask is silvered surface reflected radiation heat. Vacuum prevents heat escaping through convection and conduction, and insulated stopper reduces conduction. Measuring temperature. Temperature is usually measured by Fahrenheit F or Celsius C units. Fahrenheit scales. This temperature scale named after Gabriel Fahrenheit, who proposed it in 1724. He set the freezing point of water at 32 degrees and boiling point of the water at 212 degrees Celsius scale. Around 1743, and Anders Celsius invented the Celsius scale. He determined the freezing temperature of water to be 0 degree and boiling temperature is 100 degrees. In boiling point of water, freezing point of water, in degree Fahrenheit 212 and 32 freezing, centigrade 100 degree centigrade and 0 degree centigrade. Clinical thermometer, measuring body temperature. When you have fever, you may have used to clinical thermometer. Is measured your body temperature. The commonly used clinical thermometer is made up of narrow tube capillary of thick glass. At the end of the capillary tube is a thin glass but filled with mercury. Mercury is a metal in liquid form at room temperature. A glass is a poor conductor of heat. The wall of the bulb is kept thin so the transfer of heat between the mercury and its surrounding can take place easily. The scale of clinical thermometer extends over the few degrees of either sides of normal body temperature of 37 degrees centigrade. It can measure temperature in from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade. And clinical thermometer is marked to indicate small changes of 0.2 degrees centigrade. Being a metal, mercury is a good conductor of heat. When it is contact with the body, it quickly gains heat and expands. As a result, the mercury moves upwards in the capillary tube. If you observe the clinical thermometer, you will find a constrictions in a capillary tube just above the bulb. This prevents mercury from moving down once it has risen due to increase in temperature. The lower the level of mercury, the thermometer has to be given a firm jerk. The normal body temperature is marked as 37 degrees